The Ili River is a river in northwestern China and southeastern Kazakhstan. It flows from the Ili Kazakh Autonomous Prefecture of the Xinjiang Uighur Autonomous Region to the Almaty Province in Kazakhstan. It is 1,439 kilometers long, 815 kilometers of which is in Kazakhstan. It takes its beginning in eastern Tian Shan from the Tekes and Kunges rivers. The Ili River drains the basin between the Tian Shan and the Borehoro Mountains to the north. Flowing into Lake Balkhash, the Ili forms a large delta with vast wetland regions of lakes, marshes and thicket vegetation. Etymology. Earlier mentions of Ili River is in Mahmud al-Kashgari's Dictionary of Turkic Languages, the Duanu el-Lugar al-Turk, written in 1072–74. In the book, author defines Ili name of a river. Turkic tribes of Yagma, Turksi and Shiglig live on its banks. Turkish countries regard the river as the Ceyhun. The name is possibly originated from Uighur word il, means hook in English, resembling the river's geographical shape. Chinese region. The Upper Ili Valley is separated from the Dzungarian Basin in the north by the Borehoro Mountains, and from the Tarim Basin in the south by the main range of the Tian Shan. This region was the stronghold of the Qing administration in Xinjiang in the late 18th and 19th centuries. It was occupied by Russia from 1871 to 1881, that is, from the Yakub Beg Rebellion until the Treaty of St. Petersburg. Presently, the region forms part of Xinjiang's Ili Kazakh Autonomous Prefecture. The main city of the region, Yining, is located on the northern side of the river some 100 kilometers upstream from the international border. Until the early 1900s, the city was commonly known under the same name as the river. On the southern side, even closer to the international border, Kapkal-Xibe Autonomous County is located, which is home to many of the China's Xibe people who were resettled to this borderland in the 18th century as part of the Manchu garrison. There are at least 2 dams on the Ili's right tributary, the Kash River in Nilka County, at 43.86111 degrees north, 82.84778 degrees east, 43.86111 82.84778 and 43.85389 degrees north, 82.80222 degrees east, 43.85389 82.80222. At least 2 dams have been constructed on the Ili's left tributary, the Tekes, as well, the Kiapuchi High Hydropower Station in Tokutstara County, and another smaller dam at 43.39472 degrees north, 82.48889 degrees east, 43.39472 82.48889, on the border of Tokutstara and Kunges counties. Kazakh region. The region of Kazakhstan drained by the Ili and its tributaries is known in Kazakh as Zhetisu and in Russian as Semi-Rechi. The Kapchagay hydroelectric power plant was constructed between 1965 and 1970 near Kapchagay in the middle reaches of the Ili River, forming the Kapchagay Reservoir, an artificial 110 kilometers long lake north of Almaty. Tamgali Taz, some 20 kilometers downstream along Ili River, is the site of rock drawings. The name Tamgali in Kazakh means painted or marked place. Taz means stone. Ili Delta. The Ili River discharges into the southeastern edge of Lake Balkhash, where it forms a large delta of about 8,000 square kilometers. The delta is situated between the Saryasik Desert and the Taukum Desert. Until 1948, the delta was a refuge of the extinct Turan tiger. A reintroduction project of the Siberian tiger to the delta has been proposed. Since the Siberian tiger has turned out to be the closest relative, it has been proposed to introduce this subspecies instead. Large populations of wild boar, which were a main prey base of the Turan tiger, can be still found in the swamps of the delta. There are also some roe deer, and in the drier steppes to the south of Lake Balkhash live saiga antelopes and goited gazelles. A reintroduction of the bucaro deer, which was once an important prey item, is under consideration. Bucaro deer live in the forests at the Kapchagay Reservoir. Another potential prey species, which is extinct in the area, is the Asiatic wild ass. It could be reintroduced in the steppes adjoining the delta. An area of 9,766 square kilometers within the delta has been designated as a Ramsar site. This site has 427 species of plants and 345 species of animals, including important populations of rare species, like Dalmatian pelican, goited gazelle, marbled polecat, white-headed duck, red-breasted goose, and ship sturgeon. The delta has also become known for its large whales catfish. The government of Kazakhstan plans to join the three sanctuaries Balkhash, Karoy and Kukan, which are situated in the delta, into one national park. Tributaries: Charan River, famous for its canyon. Kash River, Tekes River. Historical connections: the Ili River gave its name to the Ili River Treaty of 638 AD, which formalized the division of the Western Turkic Khaganate into the Nushibi and the Dulu, and established the Ili River as the border between the two states. In the 21st century, increasing need for water in both China and Kazakhstan makes the management of the cross-border Ili River a topic of concern for environmentalists and politicians in Kazakhstan, who feel that their country may not get enough water flowing in from China anymore.